It is the physical blockage of aircraft from taxiing that is the reprehensible conduct here, which into hostage situation. Okay, so we see here, Festus Keyamo is saying the incident involving, he said he has received reports from all the relevant aviation agencies regarding the altercation between the staff and crew of whatever. From all details so far received, my preliminary impression is that it was obviously a case of temporary loss of sanity and control on both sides, which could have led to serious fatalities. Contrary to what the agents of Kwam1 has said, he constantly moved his position on the tarmac to actually block the aircraft. Exactly. We saw that in the video. From taxiing to take position on the runway for takeoff. This is totally unacceptable behavior. Yes. The issue of whether he was carrying water or alcohol is not even an issue at this point. It is the physical blockage of aircraft from taxiing that is the reprehensible conduct here, which into hostage situation. The actual video footage showing this recalcitrant behavior hereby attached. Let's see what he has attached. On the other hand, no amount of provocation should make the captain and the pilot of the aircraft begin to taxi without ensuring that the security personnel have safely moved on. Unruly passenger away, moved on an unruly passenger away that is standing in front of the aircraft. Both sides breached standard safety protocols as required. All right.